Governor Udom Emmanuel leads top government functionaries to the state police headquarters, Ikot Akpan Abia in Uyo, the state capital, to commiserate with the force over the loss of some of their men in the recent attacks on some police stations in the state.
I feel so pained that we are losing our own friends, our brothers who are in active service. Whether we like it or not, these people left their homes. They have wives, they have children, they have brothers, some of them have parents. So that's why I had to come here with my entire school members so that we can come and commiserate with the entire Nigeria police force.
Governor Emmanuel is worried about the welfare of families of the deceased men and goes on to announce financial support to help them.
I want to say that whatsoever we can do through this state command to reach those family members, we'll try and do it. That immediately the state government will make available the sum of 60 million naira for the families of those that lost their lives. And I also want to call on NGOs, different NGOs, different family foundations, if they can pick some of those children and sponsor them in education, that will also help.
State Commissioner of Police Amiengheme Andrew appreciates the governor's visit and laments the toll the attacks have taken on the force.
It's very sad. We are deeply touched, but like I said earlier, the only way to avenge this death is to bring the perpetrators to book. And we will assure you, Your Excellency, we will do just that.
You have shown us that you are a governor that feels the pain of his people. The encouragement you have given us this afternoon will not take for granted.
The State Police Command has been hard hit in the past few weeks as unidentified gunmen have unleashed attacks on 5 police stations in Essien Udim, Ikono, and Abak local government areas.